How to log in Home Depot credit card online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in Home Depot Login. Once done, click on Enter and you will see its official website on the first search result. Click open that link. At this page on your left hand side, you will see Sign On box. Enter your user ID at this box. If you would like this site to remember your user ID, click on Remember My User ID. Then just like so, enter your password. And the last thing is click on Sign On to get logged into your Home Depot account. In case you have to reset your password, click on Reset Password and get help resetting your account. And just like so, this is how you get logged into your account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful contents like this.